In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Gloria in Excelsis Deo. It's a song that a lot of you probably have heard it as a child, and you kind of wanted to know how to play it. I did play that in the key of D major, but for my intermediate, and I've read some comments where they say they kind of like when I play it in, they like it very much when I play it in the key of C. I'm gonna bring it down in the key of C, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to play this song, but also there are some diminished chords that have been applied into the song. And in our quest to break the wall, in our search, in our journey to move from being intermediate to more advanced, by learning a lot of advanced concept, I'm going to apply some of this concept to this particular Christmas carol and key of C major. And also I'm going to change my keyboard sound to a more piano, so you can all follow along with me with your keyboard. I'm right now in the key of C with a grand piano. All right, we're gonna use our concept first. We're gonna learn the melody, so let's just play the melody. Of course, we can also go with the now that we have our melody down, we're definitely gonna put some chord around the melody line. This is a 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's already harmonized, okay? We're gonna put some more advanced stuff in, okay? Now, I want you to follow along. I have a comment that said that I go too fast, so I'm going to go a bit slower, okay? Let's do it. I'm using some drop 2, and I do have a video on drop 2. Just go watch it. Okay, let's do. You get me? We'll do it again. Passing chord. What it is exactly is from 4, it's going to go to the 6, go down to the 2. Follow along with me. Look, let's go. Are you following along with me? So, okay, now what I did is from here, it's an F augmented. Okay, this is E in the bass, and this is A7. This is D minor. This is diminished. You see the drop 2. Okay. Alright, you get it? Then drop 2 again with E in the bass and C here. See? Alright. This is a D minor 7. Then do. Then from here, this is a C with E in the bass. Then I do this. A flat diminished. Then I go. I'm gonna do it again. Go along with me. Okay, all I'm doing is based on the melody. I have this as okay. That's what I just did. I could do. All right. Now, everything is based on, of course, as we're trying to break that wall, is the number system. So we have to know that this is from 6 going to 2, back to 1, which is C. I do 7, but some people do 5. All right, this is 5. From 7 you go to 5. Then do. This is 3, 4. This is flat 7, 2, 3. Then sharp 4. And go back to 1. Now always remember that you go by the left hand. This is what will tell you which number you are in, okay? When you are reharmonizing hymn or any song, you always have to remember that the number system will help you a lot. If you want to get it to a different key, you just know what you had in the key of C, and then you do the same thing for the key of, let's say, C sharp. Now remember, this Christmas carol, you know the melody. You apply the diminished chords that has the drop 2 on them. And then you, of course, based on the number system, you use that to know where exactly you are going, because that's what the number system is for. It's like a roadmap that's guiding you where you're going with the song as they are singing the song. All right, so, and then the other part says, okay, this is, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it again slowly. We learned that already, okay? I can always change what I'm doing. Here I do a walk down from 4, 3, 2, flat 2. So in this song, we've learned that there are some diminishes that we use to do the passing to the 2. And also, we've learned that we can always use some drop 2. So this will give me a diminished 7. What it is an F chord with a D in my left hand. Here, this is G with E, the bass. This is F again with D. This is B diminished with B in the bass. See, I'm here and do. Then I do. Or I can do sometimes. So that is still part of the diminished chord. Alright, I did not want this lesson to be long. I just wanted, before the Christmas come, that I teach you something about this beautiful song that we all love, and that you can actually play it, you know, at home with your keyboard, and then reharmonize it in the sense that it kind of sounds a bit lot more advanced than just a regular basic chord that you usually play. Please don't forget to subscribe. Drop me a comment whether you like and which part you like the most, and also if any other future lesson that you want me to go over some concept that kind of difficult for you, I will definitely work on that with you. Remember to share it with a friend, to like it, to subscribe, and come back also, because I have so far about 7 videos. I read all your comments, and I know that you definitely want to learn to move from intermediate to more advanced, and I'm going to give you the secrets that have been hiding from you for ages. All right, so let's just make sure that we continue and go back to our channel and look at all of our lessons all the way to the end. All right, thank you.